Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Actually recording this with a GoPro Hero 7 Silver that I got for an upcoming trip. So this is just a little video test for that. So excuse the quality if it is different than my normal camera. Today I'm going to be talking about what is wrong with my monoprice i3 Mini, or the Wanhao Duplicator i3 Mini. It's branded as multiple things. This is my 3D printer, and the issue I'm having with it is the fact that it jammed up. I noticed that while I was printing something, this is after I fixed it, I had to purchase a new nozzle and a new heating block and some pieces because of an issue I had before where the cleaning tool, which I have around here somewhere, the cleaning tool actually broke off in the nozzle, and I wasn't able to get the nozzle off the block, so I had to replace everything. As you can see, it is apart again, and that is because the issue I'm having is I noticed that it was starting to print very weird. Everything was very squishy and brittle, and it was just like the plastic was not, it wasn't extruding enough plastic for what it was printing. And that turns out that was actually the case. If we look up here where the plastic goes in, I noticed some plastic shavings, like it was scratching the plastic as it was going down the tube. Like it was having trouble feeding the plastic through, and I just didn't know what was going on. So I took it apart, and what I found was there was a big glob of plastic in the end of this. So it looks like this got clogged up and wasn't allowing the plastic to feed through properly. So what happened was this is clogged up. There's still a little bit of plastic that I haven't been able to get out of this yet. That is why it's not fixed yet. As soon as I can clear this out, I will have it back up and running. I may just buy a new one. They're like $9. But that's what happened. I don't know why it happened, but plastic was clogged up in here, which wasn't allowing the plastic to feed through properly, clogging that up, and that in turn made it so the plastic was not extruding at the proper rate, which just messed everything up and made it so it was not extruding enough plastic for the prints, which in turn led to them being very brittle. So that is the next problem I'm having with my Wanhao Duplicator i3 Mini. So far the printer hasn't actually, other than like the nozzle clogs, I haven't had any issues with the printer itself, like mechanically. Everything still works. I can turn it on. Everything like that is just fine. It is just the extrusion issues that I've been having and stuff like that with this hot end and everything getting clogged up. The first one wasn't really the printer's fault because the cleaning tool broke off inside it. That was just the cheap cleaning tool that they included. But that is what's going on with the printer and why I haven't been able to do any 3D prints right now. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.